In Ephesians 5 verse 22, that marriage is based on that covenant relationship between Christ and the church. It is covenant sealed in blood. This means that marriage covenant is unbreakable. Ang pakiksaad sa kaminyon dili na maputol. As Christ's covenant with the church is unbreakable, so is the marriage covenant also is unbreakable. So marriage therefore is keeping covenant. Tumana ang iyong mapanag. Magkinaunsaman. Marriage is not just about keeping the fire of love burning. It is about keeping covenant. Therefore, when the day comes when you will fight each other, mabot ang panahon na mag-away din mo. Mag-away na magaling mo kuya pa mo. Sa mga magkuyog na mukha. Mabot ang panahon na mag-away ka mo. Ha? Mabot ka na siya. Remember that marriage is keeping covenant. Ang kaminyon, mga pagtuman sa inyong mga panahal.